as you are practicing English uh,
Mm-hmm.
many days, yeah, for many months. What's your
Mm-hmm.
opinion? What's your opinion for the students? Because I have a coaching I teach in my institute. They they just want to learn English within some months, within some days, and it's truly not possible because
Mm-hmm.
as we belong to not native country, we struggle in initial phase. We have to remember words. We have to cover on grammars many sectors, many parts. In practical way, what do you
Mm-hmm.
think that how beginners can improve their English?
It's the only way is to practice each and every day. Try to connect with people, or if you are not confident, so first you try with yourself. Like I started my journey. I think I already told in my in our previous conversation that I started with myself, and when I think, okay, now I can at least I can make sentences. I can face someone, or I can do conversation with people. So I started my journey. So yeah, I think I have been doing this same thing from, I think, from past 1 year, and I can't say that I am fluent now, because I as you see that while talking, while doing conversation with anyone, I hesitate sometimes I have a lack of words. If you really want to improve yourself, don't see that how long it will take, because it will take a long, it is a long journey, it will take time. Maybe it, and also it depends to person. Some person are very consistent, so they get or they improve themselves in just a month, in a just a 4 months, 6 months. But if you are totally beginner, so maybe it will take 1 year, 2 year, or maybe more than that. So don't see the time that I have to improve myself in just a 1 month or 1 week. You will not able to do this thing. Just focus on that. Whatever you are doing, if you are reading books, if you are speaking, if you are practicing, or if you are watching something, just do all things each and every day, and gradually you can obviously see the difference in your communication, how you communicate with people. You see your difference to your previous self.
Of course, right. We have to complete the journey in initial time because
Hmm.
we have much fumbling, we have much hesitation. But what do you think? How much grammar matters for English speaking? Because most of us think that without grammar we can speak English. Is it true? Can we do it?
Okay, I'm totally against it that grammar is not important. Grammar is important, because if you don't know what's the past tense, what's the present tense, and what's the if you are making the future tense sentences, so what will use you will use. So grammar is important, but don't go into deep down. If you have basic knowledge of grammar, if you know what is present tense, past tense, future tense, and what words or verb use in these tenses, so you can start your journey. But don't go deep down into grammar, like, okay, I have to prepare all the charts, preposition, adjective, adverb, everything at the same time. So no, if you are have basic knowledge of tenses, so you can speak.
I mean to say that you want to say formal grammar is not important, but you should have knowledge of informal grammar, like
Mm-hmm.
basic.
Basic grammar. Yeah.
How did you can say good at your English vocabulary?
Vocabulary. So in my case, I improve my vocabulary by watching videos in English, by watching podcast, and sometimes by watching movies. Because, and I'm not following the traditional way that, okay, just take out 10 words from the dictionary and write down somewhere and just by heart all the things, mug up all the things and use it. No, I'm not doing that thing. Yeah, whenever I do in a entertainment form. So whenever I watch something, I get some new words, and I'm not mug up all the things. I just listen all the things, and sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I'm speaking with someone, and I don't know, some words come out of my mouth, and after that conversation, I think, when I heard this word and I use in this conversation. So if you hear something, your mind is capable of capable to adapt that thing, and you never know that how you learned that word.
Yeah, of course. One of the
Mm-hmm.
words also I have listened today
Mm-hmm.
overnight. So when I heard this word, that was not in my mind, and that time I was not known for this word.
Okay.
But
Mm-hmm.
recently I surprised in my mind, and I'm capable of understand this word. It means to
Mm-hmm.
become suddenly. Any word which are used in our daily life, but we don't
Mm-hmm.
focus on it. And when we listen first time it, and so it's keeps in our mind and we use.
Yeah. So I have to go for the tuition to take my tuition classes. So we
Me
will
too.
connect
That
again.
was going to say you because my also classes start from 5 o'clock.
Yeah, same, same, 5 o'clock.
Okay, have a
So
nice conversation with you. Thank you.
thank you to connecting with me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.